Status deliver Brickfield Stone Crossing Unit sing amadi analying sangsingna Central Pollution Control Board ki anova guidelines singang satpiu guideline ngaktan salai ram pham sing Manipur Pollution Control Board na drive sataduna akan mathap lokalagani haina board asigi chairman Dr. Usam Deve na phongdokri Impal West ki lampit laiba board asigi office ta pangthokpa paw impham amada chairman Deve na Kai tarak liba mahu saga sakta masibu kanna ba mari miyo ibiki haksang da sok loidaba maong da industry singbo salai hanaba Central Pollution Control Board na handakta Brickfield Stone Crossing Unit sing amadi analying sang singa sanagadaba guideline ama phone kre guideline asagi matungina second singda hana check lobda brick clean scheme maong da torambadu zigzag technology vertical sharp natraga natural gas nabi makhal ahum asidagi amana mahut silagani Brickfield sing yum tabam from the meter sanipan lab na laibigi matakta second amaga kilometer ama lab nagadabani loyana Stone Crossing Unit singi oina so machine dagi hena wangba fencing wall kaba upami ro ohum thabagi matakta upul paitok pa hantana ba ising sang naina saitok kadabani haiki loyana health sector gi lamda so influent treatment plan yaudana salaira ba private health care unit kunit thoida sokos notice thokre haiba wapam su chairman asina thamladuna Langaki Health Center kuni pandana effluent treatment plan mathau tawba hawdri basi yangsilagani masik mathakta irang na baram odana lab doraba single use plastic amadi half liter water bottle thingbi thabak asisu mari lena department singa khosam nadana makha tana satharagani haiki
Manipur da pollution tholiba in leriba clinic leriba koi solkar leriba mayam singa se tamatam gi oiba adu basana ba koi mechanism sinar kanda koi pollution thoktra hona bi damakta koi Central Pollution Control Board ki instruction matungina koi guidelines sida apply tor da basing adu mayam singa se koi ta Manipur Pollution Control Board na inspection satna kotna koi matam siga sana ba technology da onthokna ba center koi center na pi ba guidelines sida anauba koi brickfield mo oibi ana hona ba koi drive chatpa horagani ha botan sariba adagi asingan koi use scenery ba mayam singa se si mayam si koi yam thuba matam da drive chatla kanda free pollution oiba anumba state anumba Manipur mo oina bi damakta Manipur Pollution Control Board koi honagani